Today, we're unboxing and setting up the TP-Link RE300 mesh range extender, a simple plug-and-play solution to boost your Wi-Fi coverage. Let's dive in. Let's unbox it now. Inside the box, you'll find the RE300 extender, compact wall plug design, a quick start guide, an Ethernet cable for wire connections, and a warranty card. This extender supports dual-band Wi-Fi up to 1,200 megabits per second wireless speed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unboxing.